everyone, my name is Sophia and this is my dad, Nicola.
Hello everyone, today we are excited to present the game that we create together using Scratch.
In this game, you'll go on an adventure, avoid obstacles and try to reach the goal while having fun.
We use coding, creativity and our teamwork to design different characters and the different backgrounds.
We hope you enjoy our games as much as we enjoyed making them. Let's begin!
Okay Sophia, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, take the mouse. What's the first thing we need to do?
We need to delete the cats.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, good. What's the second thing we need to do? We need to make our background.
Backdrop or background.
But here we cannot find our backdrop that we're playing for the games. What we need to do now?
Go to back.
Okay, and we need to add what? We need to add sprite.
Yeah.
But here there is a lot of different sprites, but we cannot find the sprite that we need for our background. So what we will do, we click on the sprite and then we choose go back. Go on the sprite and choose upload sprite. Okay, and then we will upload the sprite
background.
Bravo, background. Now we can see here that it's not exactly in the middle. How can we make this background in the middle? We need to change what?
Change X
to
0.
Okay, and then we need to change what?
Y to 0.
Okay, I will double click over here and then change Y to 0. Now it's in the middle. Now what we can use over here, we can say change go to X 0 and Y to 0, and we will make sure every time if we by accident move it to the side, we can see over here and click, and this sprite and this background will be in the middle. Okay, how we can start our game? What block do we need?
We need
green flag.
Green flag.
Okay, we can find it on the events category, and we click and drag over here. Now I will connect them together. Okay, good. Now what's the next thing we need to do?
We should go to the costumes tab.
Not yet. Okay, we can do that, but first let's go on the looks, and we make sure when the game starts we will do what? Show, bravo. And regarding the layers, we want this one go to front layer, we will put it go to back layer. Okay, now where we can go? In the costumes, and I will choose convert to vector. Okay, I will move this one to the side. Now we want to make our background sliding and moving constantly, so I will do what?
Click
copy and then
paste.
So the second copy of the image, I will drag it to the side, and I will try to make sure they are.
We should make sure they are like together.
They are together and in the middle. So I can use our arrow keys on the keyboard and make sure that it's perfect. Good?
Yes.
Okay, we can go back to code.
Yes.
Now, how can we make this background or sprite moving constantly? We will go where? In the
control,
and constantly it's mean we will use forever. Okay, so I will go in the motion and I will say change X
by minus 1.
Bravo, -1. Okay, great. But now what if it's start moving and come to the end? What will happen then? We want this to be repeated, so we will say control if, and we will go in operators. We will say we want to check if the x coordinate is changed. I will find it over here, and bottom x position. Bravo. If this is less than minus 240, what will happen then? We will say go to or set x to 240. Now let's see if this is working. Okay, click on the
green flag.
It's working. Okay, good. If we want to make it faster, we can say here -5, and then we can see that it's moving faster.
But for this game we will stick with -1.
I agree with you. Okay, good. Let's try again, and it's working.